How many types of marine animals are there? There is no single answer to this question, as the number of marine animal species is constantly changing as new species are discovered and existing ones are reclassified. However, as of 2021, there are over 250,000 known species of marine animals, and it is estimated that there may be millions more that have not yet been discovered. Marine animals encompass a wide range of organisms, from microscopic plankton to massive whales, and include fish, mollusks, crustaceans, jellyfish, corals, sea turtles, and many other groups. Each of these groups contains numerous species, and the total number of marine animal species is therefore quite large. What plants are found in the sea? Plants that are found in the sea are known as marine plants or seaweeds. They are a diverse group of photosynthetic organisms that can be found in a variety of marine environments, from the shallowest tide pools to the deepest parts of the ocean. Some common types of marine plants include seagrasses. These are flowering plants that grow in shallow waters along coastlines and in estuaries. They are an important habitat for many marine animals and help stabilize sediments in the seafloor. Algae. This is a large and diverse group of aquatic plants that can range in size from tiny unicellular organisms to large, multicellular seaweeds. They are found in both freshwater and marine environments and play important roles in the food web and in regulating the Earth's climate. Kelp. These are large brown seaweeds that form dense forests in cold, nutrient-rich waters. They are an important food source for many marine animals and are also harvested by humans for use in food, fertilizer, and other products. Mangroves. These are trees or shrubs that grow in intertidal zones in tropical and subtropical regions. They are adapted to living in saltwater and help protect coastlines from erosion and storm surges. Overall, marine plants play important roles in marine ecosystems by providing food, shelter, and oxygen, and they are also important sources of food, medicine, and other products for humans. How many types of minerals are found in the ocean? The ocean contains a vast array of minerals, including both metallic and non-metallic minerals. However, the exact number of types of minerals found in the ocean is not known, as new minerals are continually being discovered in the marine environment. To date, more than 100 minerals have been identified in oceanic crust alone. Some of the most commonly found minerals in the ocean include manganese nodules. These are rounded lumps of manganese and other metals that form on the seafloor. They are found in areas with slow-moving currents and are an important source of metals such as cobalt, copper, and nickel. Salt. The ocean is a major source of salt, which is formed by the evaporation of seawater. Salt is an important industrial and commercial product and is used in a variety of applications, including food preservation and de-icing roads. Titanium. This is a metallic element that is found in the form of minerals such as ilmenite and rutile in beach sands and in the shallow seafloor. It is used in a variety of applications, including aerospace, medical implants, and electronics. Rare earth elements. These are a group of metals that are essential for many modern technologies, including smartphones, wind turbines, and electric cars. They are found in small amounts in many different types of minerals in the ocean, including phosphates, clays, and manganese nodules. Overall, the ocean is an important source of minerals that are essential for modern society, and research is ongoing to better understand the distribution and abundance of these resources in the marine environment. What is seawater like? Seawater is a complex mixture of dissolved minerals, salts, gases, and organic materials. It is different from freshwater in several ways, including its salinity, density, and chemical composition. Here are some characteristics of seawater. Salinity. Seawater has a higher salinity than freshwater, with an average salinity of about 35 parts per thousand, ppt. This means that for every 1,000 grams of seawater, there are about 35 grams of dissolved salts and minerals. Density. Seawater is denser than freshwater due to its higher salt content. This means that objects will float more easily in seawater than in freshwater. Color. Seawater can appear blue or green, depending on factors such as the amount of sunlight, the depth of the water, and the presence of algae or other particles. pH. The pH of seawater is typically around 8.1, making it slightly basic. Composition. Seawater is made up of a complex mixture of dissolved minerals, including sodium, chloride, magnesium, calcium, and potassium. It also contains gases such as oxygen, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen, as well as organic materials such as dissolved sugars and amino acids. The exact composition of seawater can vary depending on factors such as location, depth, and season, and researchers are constantly working to better understand the complex chemistry of the ocean. Sea salt. Sea salt is a type of salt that is produced by evaporating seawater. It is often marketed as a healthier alternative to table salt, as it is thought to contain more natural minerals and trace elements. Sea salt is typically produced through a process called solar evaporation. In this process, seawater is collected in shallow ponds or basins, where it is left to evaporate in the sun. As the water evaporates, salt crystals begin to form, and these are collected and processed to remove any impurities. One of the key differences between sea salt and table salt is their respective mineral content. Sea salt is thought to contain more natural minerals, such as magnesium, potassium, and calcium, which are not present in table salt. However, the amounts of these minerals in sea salt are generally quite small, and it is not a significant source of any of them. While sea salt may have a slightly different taste and texture than table salt, it is not necessarily a healthier option. Both types of salt are primarily made up of sodium and chloride, and excessive intake of either can have negative health effects. It is generally recommended to limit overall salt intake and to choose lower sodium options when possible.